Magandang hapon po. Ngayon po ay December 1, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong December 1, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, December 1, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for December 1, 2025, Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, December 1, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for December 1, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.